Bright Duty. Every student matters.
So with that, we move on to the second topic, and in this topic we'll look at cropping pattern. Now we looked at, before this we understood what agriculture is. Then we also understood different types of agriculture, right? Now we'll look at how the crops are grown. Okay, how and when the crops are grown. Is there a time for crops to be grown, or is there not time, and crops can be cultivated at any time? Okay, in India there are 3 cropping seasons, meaning the crops are sown or the crops are grown at 3 particular seasons. Okay, there are 3 separate times. They are called rabi, kharif and zaid. Okay, these are the 3 cropping seasons. Now let's look at the rabi cropping season. Now in this season, crops are sown from the month of October to December. Okay, and the sown crops are harvested from the month of April to June. Now the crops that are sown during this particular season, they are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. And these kind of crops are grown in north and northwestern parts of our country. So some of the states that fall in these areas are Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Now in this kind of sowing, in the rabi crops in this season, the availability of precipitation or rain or monsoon during the winter helps in the growth of the crops. So we know that the crops are sown in winter, and the rain that these areas receive during the winter helps in the proper growth of the crops. Okay, and also for these crops, the green revolution also provides impetus. Impetus meaning extra support, extra encouragement. Okay, all right. Now the second is kharif, that is the second cropping season. Now in this particular season, the crops are sown at the start of rainy season or monsoon in June, and the same crops are harvested from the month of September to the month of October. Okay, and the crops that are sown during this season, they are paddy, maize, jawar, bajra, tur, mung, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut, soybean, etc. Alright, and these crops are sown in the states of Assam, West Bengal, Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Now the third season is called zaid. Now this is the season which is short. It is short. It is not long cropping seasons such as kharif and rabi. They are long ones, alright. But the zaid is short, and this season falls right in between the 2 rabi and kharif cropping seasons, alright. So in this season, the crops are grown in the short period which falls between rabi and kharif seasons, alright. And the crops that are grown are watermelons, muskmelons, cucumber, vegetables, fodder, etc. Alright.